Hi everyone, Nick here with Golden Retriever Trading. I just want to make a quick update on the trades that I took on February 24th. If you saw the video, you will recall that Sprint was at $3.05 and I took this trade over here. And I thought that Sprint had a very high probability of going to the upside, being that there was falling overhead resistance and it was about to break out. It was also testing that low back here in July, and as you can see, it's rallied quite hard and it's came down. In 3 short trading days, it broke through this level and went 30% to the downside. Came right back up, tested that level, came down. So generally, when it tests the level, it often bounces from that level and goes the opposite direction. And when it tests a second time, if there's a higher high, or I should say a higher low, then the probability of the stock or the market breaking that level becomes greater. So that's the reason why I took this trade for Sprint. I also did a short on Facebook because at these levels I didn't know exactly what was going to happen in the market. It was being trapped from overhead resistance and rising support. So generally when you're trapped in these levels, once it breaks through to the upside or the downside, it moves quite rapidly. So we can see here that it's completely broken out from this rising support, and it's likely to test these high here. So at the risk of Facebook breaking out and testing these highs here, that's a good $8 of heat, and I entered at $106, so we're looking at about $11 of heat that I had to take if I wanted to hold on to Facebook short. So that's why I liquidated both. The reason for going into both Facebook and Sprint long short was that I believed that Sprint would outperform for a variety of reasons and Facebook would underperform. So we'll see what happens. I have a feeling that Facebook is not going to break out from these levels, especially if the S&P can't break out from these levels here. But however, even though the probability is higher that it's not going to break out, in the event it does, I'd be taking too much heat. So that's how you manage your risk. So being that Sprint has outperformed Facebook quite a lot in the past few trading days, I was able to book a decent profit. So I don't want to take any more risk. I'd rather just find a better setup with different stocks and go from there. So thanks everyone for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care everyone.